Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
This chapter, you will learn basic information about the Develop module in Lightroom Classic CC. Unlike the Library module and the Map module, which are used to organize and manage photos, the Develop module provides tools and features for editing photos in your Lightroom Classic CC catalog. Like other modules in Lightroom Classic CC, the Develop module provides a preview area in the center of the screen, a toolbar at the bottom of the preview area, panels at the left and right sides of the preview area, the module picker in its usual spot in the upper right corner of the screen, and the film strip panel along the bottom of the interface. There are 5 panels that appear at the left side of the Develop module: the Navigator Panel, the Presets panel, the Snapshots panel, the History panel, and the Collections panel. These 5 panels are used for previewing, selecting, and saving changes you have made to a photo. There are 10 panels that appear at the right side of the Develop module. These 10 panels provide the tools used to make visible adjustments to a photo. The Histogram panel lets you make tonal adjustments to photos and measure color tones. If a photo includes a Smart Preview, information about the Smart Preview status of the photo is displayed at the bottom of the Histogram panel. The Basic panel provides the primary features for adjusting the tonal scale, white balance, and color saturation of photos. The Tone Curve panel and the HSL Color panel each provide tools for making tonal adjustments and fine-tuning the color and tone in photos. The Split Toning panel provides tools that let you create special effects and add color to monochrome images. The Detail panel provides tools for reducing noise and adjusting the sharpness of photos. The Lens Corrections panel provides tools for correcting lens vignetting and chromatic aberration caused by a camera lens. The Transform panel provides tools for rotating, skewing, and adjusting the scale and offset of photos. The Effects panel lets you add special effects like film grain, vignettes, and haze to photos. The Calibration panel lets you make adjustments to the default calibration settings for your camera. The panel grouping at the right side of the Develop module also provides a tool strip below the Histogram panel. This tool strip provides common tools for cropping and straightening photos, fixing red eye, removing dust and spots, and applying adjustments to specific areas of a photo. When you select a tool in the tool strip, the tool strip expands to display the tool drawer, which contains specific options for that tool. You can click the tool again to deselect the tool and close the tool drawer. When you make changes to a photo in Lightroom Classic CC, the changes are either global or local changes. Global changes are edits and adjustments that affect an entire photo. For example, adjusting the color saturation of a photo is a global change because all of the parts of the photo are affected. Removing red eye from a photo is a local change because only part of the photo is affected by the adjustment. The Develop module toolbar provides controls for switching to the loop view or changing between different before and after views. If you don't see the toolbar below the preview area in the Develop module, select View, Show Toolbar from the menu bar, or alternatively you can press the T key on your keyboard to show or hide the toolbar in the Develop module. The Develop module also provides a variety of additional buttons and features that make working with photos easier. For example, Lightroom Classic CC switches the default tool in the Develop module depending on the view selected in the Navigator panel. For example, if you select Fit as the magnification level, Lightroom Classic CC displays the Zoom tool when you hold it over the preview image. If you select Fill or 1:1 or any other higher level of magnification in the Navigator panel, then the Hand tool appears. Additionally, when you hover the mouse pointer over the selected photo within the Develop module, you can see Rgb values appear at the bottom of the Histogram panel. As you move the mouse over the different parts of the photo, the values change to reflect the area over which you're hovering. This is true regardless of which magnification level is set in the Navigator panel. You'll also notice Copy and Paste buttons appear in the bottom left panel grouping in the Develop module. These buttons let you copy or paste the current settings to a selected photo. There are also buttons at the bottom of the panel grouping at the right side of the screen. Depending on the number of photos that you have selected in the film strip, these buttons offer different options. If you only have one photo selected in the Develop module, then the previous button can be used to copy and paste the settings of the previously selected photo to the currently selected photo. If you have multiple photos selected, the Sync button can be used to select which of the current settings to paste from the currently selected photo to the other selected photos. The Auto Sync button adjusts other selected photos automatically after a slider is adjusted. You can temporarily turn the Sync button into the Auto Sync button by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while you're in the Develop module. You can also use the switch to the left of the button to move between the button states. The Reset button resets adjustments back to Lightroom's default.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.